English pronunciation of this medical term. Conjunctiva, not conjunctiva or conjunctiva, as some people say it. Conjunctiva. English pronunciation of this medical term. Conjunctiva, not conjunctiva or conjunctiva, as some people say it. Conjunctiva. English pronunciation of this medical term. Conjunctiva, not conjunctiva or conjunctiva, as some people say it. Conjunctiva. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.